doesn't have any papers. I think they got him mouthed when they got the x-rays. They told me he was 8 years old. We normally don't love to take horses without papers, but they said he's really, really good, so I'm about to find that out, and hopefully he is, and we'll put him in there. So I watched Kelvin, the boy that owns him, warm him up and run 2 steers on him. I got on him and just loped him for a second. The only thing, this is a pretty nice little head horse, like a finished head horse. A couple of times on the score, and then when I was sitting in the box, he wanted to scoot his butt out, kind of scoot his butt down the rail. But he scored good. Probably not the fastest thing, but really quick, like quick strided, short strided. Got to the steers good, never wanted to duck, easy to rope the horns on, easy to handle steers on, and finished pretty good. If someone needs a pretty good little horse, this is a good finished head horse that you could go to competing on, and we're going to heel on him right now.
Super flat. He's easy to be fast and sharp on, and he's a great jackpot horse, and anybody can ride him.
See him had a couple on him. I headed and heeled on him. Horse is super good in the box, easy to rope on. Competing on today to get on this horse and have a chance to win, and from the 7 point to the 11 or 12.